Hello world, here is BITI, your Bitcoin trading informant, and here is the daily Bitcoin update. Bitcoin price jumped 8% today. Bitcoin hits 53,000 again. Yes, big news. Bitcoin is over 50,000 again. We saw a big fake out to the downside, and now we're going to the moon. That's the big question. We will check this together now. Here is the update for our alternative fear and greed index, and look at this, guys. We have fear in the market, 27 points fear in the market, extreme fear maybe. Today 27 points fear, yesterday 31 points, last week greed in the market 74 points, and last month we had greed in the market with 65 points. So the fear is growing. What's going on? CoinMarketCap, here is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is pumping today, 7.5% in the plus. But on the 7 days, we have a bearish chart picture. You can see it here on the down right side. On this right side, the last 7 days, we have a bloody red picture here, 5% in the minus. Ethereum is going down with 10.2%, but look at this, 12% in the plus here in the weekly chart. And it's momently a lot better to trade Ethereum as Bitcoin. You make more gains here with Ethereum. Binance Coin is going up also with 9%. In the week, it's going up with 6.7%. XRP, a pump today with 15%, but in the week, XRP is going down with 12.8%. Cardano, ADA is going up with a nice pump, 10.7%, but in the week, it's going down with 0.54%. Dogecoin is going down on the day with 2.5%. In the week, Dogecoin is going down extremely with 34%. Polkadot, a plus about 9.5% and a minus about 8% in the week. Uniswap, a nice plus 12% and 16% in 24 hours. Litecoin also 8% in the plus on the day and 7% a minus in the week. Bitcoin Cash is going up. Also Link is going up. Solana is going up. VeChain is going up. Tether is going up, and XLM is going up also with 8%. Filecoin is going up with 8%. So, ladies and gentlemen, what coin is the biggest winner of 24 hours? Polygon Matic is the biggest winner in 24 hours with 35% in the plus. Harmony One, place number 2 with 32% in the plus. And Phantom also mooning momently with 30% in the plus. So, ladies and gentlemen, the whole world is watching what coin is the biggest loser in 24 hours. Wah, 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 wah. There are not so much losers here. Look at this, 6% is CeeLo in the minus, and Dogecoin is one of the biggest losers. Damn, 2.4% only in the minus, and one of the biggest loser. Damn. So Revain is also going down with 0.16%. So these are the top 3 losers of 24 hours. The Bitcoin dominance is on 50.3%. Ethereum dominance is on 14.5%. Very interesting. And we will check now what's going on with this dominance very quick. Look at this. Momently, we have 9,443 crypto coins here on CoinMarketCap listed. It is extreme, guys, or over 9,000 coins, extreme. So Bitcoin dominance is going down 50% here, and you can see Ethereum dominance is going up. Also, the other coins are going up, and all coins here on the bottom are also slightly going up. Only Bitcoin is going down with the dominance. It's the moment of the altcoins. It's still the moment of the altcoins. Here is a technical overview from Tradingview. You can see the daily time frame, and on the daily time frame, we still have a sell on summary, a sell on the moving averages, and oscillators are neutral. On 4 hours, we have as buy, as moving averages, we have a buy, and on the oscillators, we have a neutral. So very interesting. 4-hour chart is telling us we should buy Bitcoin. 1-day chart is telling us we should sell. Bigger time frame, we should sell, and 4-hour time frame, we should buy. The 1 hour also a buy and a strong buy, and 50 minutes strong buy the Bitcoin. Guys, very important. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. So let's start with Bitcoin with the TA. This was my last chart picture from yesterday. Yesterday I made a weekly forecast, and this was the last picture here. I showed you we are in a triangle. You see these green lines here, the green line from the upside coming and this green line from the downside coming. This is a triangle. And yes, we saw a fake out to the downside with a perfectly hit on this Fibonacci line. The 0 Fibonacci line was the deepest point here. A perfectly hit, a spike under it, not a confirmed closing candle under it, and then a big pump to the upside. And Yes, I told you guys we need to watch this line here on 47,500. This is very important if we will go down, and we saw a big pump here to the upside. So I think a lot of guys shorted here from this point here, a very nice short position of 49,800, and then on this point on 47,500, I think a lot of guys closed the shorts, and here was a big pump to the upside. Very nice. Now we broke this triangle to the upside, and we have a nice target for this breakout. You can see it. This is 60,000 or 59,500. This is the target, the technical target for breaking this triangle to the upside. On the moment, you can see it, we are fighting with this EMA 200. Before we start here with this analyze detailed, we will check Bitcoin on the daily chart. What's going on here with Bitcoin on the daily chart? Let's check this one here. So, okay, let's remove all stuff. We don't need the drawings. This is the clear picture. And on the daily chart, I am still very bearish, guys. I have to say it very clear. On the daily chart, you can see a lot of things, they make me very, very bearish. The long trend is here, the long trend to the upside with this green ribbon band, everything is okay, but we lost completely here with this spike under the ribbon band and the closing confirmed closing candles on a ribbon band. We lost completely this ribbon band. The ribbon band is now our resistance. It's still green, but you can see it's coming here like a wave here over our heads here, and it will turn into red if we will stay under this ribbon band here on the daily chart. Every candle here is 1 day. Also, you can see the MA21 here, this one is our resistance. And from the downside is coming the EMA 200 as support. And the support is here momently on 40,000 or 39,300. This is our big support from the downside. This daily candle is an extreme nice bullish candle, yes, for sure. But now we have the problems with the ribbon band and the MA21. So also we will check another stuff. We may check now not only the MA21, we may check the MA100. Let's check this one, the MA100 on the daily chart. And you can see this MA100 is a very, very important candle. You can see we have no confirmed closing candle under this MA100 line. And we saw now a big bounce. We saw here 3 tests of this line and then a big bounce from here. So for the daily chart, momently, this line is holding. The MA100 is holding as a support, and that's very, very nice for the moment. So let's check. 49,800 is the big support for the moment, and that is holding. So let's check the next stuff. What's going on here with our MACD? Let's check this one here. MACD. And you can see it, guys. This was the point also I told you from yesterday. I'm bullish here because I think we are building here our bottom. And this is now correct. You can see the next candle here is not dark red anymore. It's not growing here. It's going a little bit to the upside. And this is the nice bullish thing here of this MACD. But as long as the blue line is under the brown line, we are still bearish. Don't forget this, guys. Okay, that's this point. Now let's check the 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart. Look at this. From the ribbon band, this is a very nice thing. Look at this. We are now over, or no, we are not over the ribbon band. We are fighting in the ribbon band. You can see it with the last line of the ribbon band. We are fighting for the moment, and we saw a little spike to the upside, and now the fight. The very important thing now on the 4-hour chart is, can we see a confirmed closing candle here over the ribbon band? This would be a very bullish sign. But as long as we are in the ribbon band, everything is still bearish. We need a confirmed closing candle over this last line of the ribbon band. MACD is bullish, for sure. Everything is fine. We are building more and more green candles. That's nice. But we need a confirmed closing candle here. Also, you can see coming here from the upside, the MA100 is here and the EMA 200 is also here as a resistance. So we have some big resistances to watch here. On the 4-hour chart, we can make another stuff here. We are in a bearish downtrend. And you can see this with a channel here from here to here, like this here. This is our big bearish downtrend. And as long as we are in the bearish downtrend, we are bearish. Don't forget this. Okay, a big move to the upside. Very, very well. And guys, one thing I would like to show you here very quick. Look at this wick. You saw here a big wick to the downside and then a nice sideways little upgoing Bitcoin. Look at this now, a big wick to the downside and the pumping Bitcoin here. So always, if you can see big wicks to the downside, this is mostly, not always, this is mostly a sign for an upgoing Bitcoin price or a sideways Bitcoin price. If you see an upgoing wick here, on the most times it's a downgoing price here. So you can see a green, nice upgoing wick, then Bitcoin goes down. Okay, this is a big thing we have to watch also, guys. This is now a bullish sign for sure. We have here our middle line of our downtrend, and this is now our support. So the support is a green one now, because you know, guys, Bitcoin is reacting very often here of our channel lines, and this is the middle line, and the middle line is now green, a nice support here. So like this here. As long as we are over this middle line, it's a nice sign, but if we will fall down again, we have to keep alert here. Okay, that's the 4-hour chart. Let's check the 1-hour chart. What's going on here? 1-hour chart, very interesting. Look at this. On the 1-hour chart, we have now a long position, and that's the bullish thing. On the 1-hour chart, we have a green ribbon band. Now you saw here this red ribbon band. Here was the changing from red to green, and now we have a long position from here. The MACD is bullish. You can see this on this line here. The blue line is over the brown line. But you can see also these green candles here, and you can see these green candles are growing, not anymore growing, they are going to the downside. And this is not the best thing for Bitcoin for the moment to see more upgoing price. We need growing candles here. You can see here also growing candles, then going to the downside. Then we saw the downgoing Bitcoin here also. And then the red ones to the downside, here also red to the downside, and then the growing to the upside. We need to watch this MACD, very important, guys. So, okay, we are over the EMA, the MA100. Yes, this is our support here for the downside. Also, the EMA 200 is momently our big fight on the 1-hour chart. We need a confirmed closing candle over the EMA 200 on the 1-hour chart. And this candle has still time, 25 minutes to close over this. If this candle can close over this EMA 200, this would be a very, very nice sign. And then we have the next target to watch. This is our big downtrend channel, our 55,000, big resistance here. So what can we check here more, guys? Let's remove the MACD. It's not so important for us in the moment. One thing we have to watch also was this point here. This was our lowest point here, and this is now also a resistance. We can make here a resistance, and you can see it's still measuring here with our 55,000. So this one is a very important resistance line, and we need a confirmed closing candle in the 1-hour chart over this 55,000 resistance to see more bullish movement here. We need a big leg to the upside. That's very important in my opinion here. So okay, that's the point for Bitcoin on the 1-hour chart. Let's check here very quick the 15-minute chart. What's going on here? Have we here a confirmed closing candle over the EMA 200? And here the 15-minute chart is very nice, and it's very bullish for the moment. You can see we are over the ribbon band, we are over our EMAs and MAs. Everything is fine, everything is looking great. So the 15-minute chart is not the baddest thing for the moment here. But if you are trading on the higher time frames like me, 1 hour or 4 hour, we have to stay alert, guys. That's very important. So, okay, that's the big thing. What is now the big picture we have to watch? Let's go back to the 1-hour chart. Let's check the big thing we have to watch now. In my opinion, guys, as long as we are under this 55,000 line, as long as we are under or in this bearish downtrend, I'm still bearish. We need to break out from this downtrend. That's the next big thing. If we go down here more and more, guys, yes, for sure, we have the middle line here. The middle line is our support. Depends always where we will hit the middle line. Maybe 59,000 or something like this. This is a nice support. Also, a next support to the downside is this downtrend line here. This is 43,000. Depends always, guys, where we will hit this line here. But these are our bigger resistances, supports here, and the 55,000 is the bigger resistance we have to watch. Guys, if we look at the 4-hour chart once again, let me show you something. Let's remove this stuff here. Let's remove the drawings here. And our big thing was this one. We had a really nice trend line from the downside over this point here to the upside like this here. This was our big support. And now you can see something what I will like to show you. We are now fighting back this support line. That's very, very nice and very cool for bullish Bitcoin. Here we lost it. We had a confirmed closing candle under this support line. Now we are fighting back. We are for the moment over this support line, and that's an extreme nice bullish thing. We have to watch this line. If we will fall down again under this green line, under the support line, we may have a problem, but for the moment everything is looking not so bad here. Also on the 4-hour chart, for sure, we have big things to watch. We have the ribbon band, we have the MA100 and so on, but this is now a big thing, in my opinion, the 4-hour chart. And look at this. This candle is now fighting with the ribbon band, with the last line here I told you. And if we can see this closing candle over this would be a very nice position, guys. We have to watch this. You can watch this here on my live stream. The name is Bitcoin Trading Informant. I'm streaming live 24 hours, 7 days a week on Twitch and on YouTube with a really nice community here, really nice guys here. Special thanks to Juran Spartan, he's the boss of the channel, and special thanks to all my supporter here. Subcritically spended 1 bit. Thank you so much for 1 bit subcritically. But subcritically is also a big supporter here on my channel. Ryan Real Life also here, 1000 bits. Thank you very much. And Empire, and so on and so on. Guys, thank you very much for supporting your BITI, your Bitcoin Trading Informant. So that's the big picture for Bitcoin now. We have to watch this. We have to watch this downtrend channel. You can see it on the down left side here on my live stream. Here is the 4-hour chart for Bitcoin. And you can see we are fighting with the ribbon band here. You can see it here. And we are over the middle line. And these things we have to watch. EMA 200 is yellow line. And also the upper trend line for this channel. Here is the 1-hour chart. You can see it here also with Fibonacci lines and so on and so on. Everything you need for trading is here, guys. So thank you very much for watching, and I wish you just the best. It doesn't matter if you go long or if you go short, guys. I wish you make millions out there with your trade. Greetings and have a nice time. Yours BT, your Bitcoin Trading Informant.